So much freedom here at LS Fest, guys. We're turning into bald eagles over here. All right, guys, last day at LS Fest. You can see the weather's not the greatest. It is definitely rained out, but freedom is calling, and there's still a lot of America out here. America! Yeah! Well, it was a great time out here at LS Fest. We really appreciate all you guys stopping by the booth. It was really a fun time. We enjoyed meeting and talking with every one of you every time we come to these events. We understand that your support is what keeps us going, and we really appreciate it, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for following our pages, guys. Go check out our YouTube channel. And yeah, looks like it's a wrap from LS Fest.